Right now, police over Mackerel yard, the yard where she did catch me, know what go on. You see me? So me know what really a go on, you see me? But we soon hear the outcome. As the girl turn star like them want to take it back. You see it? So, just look out and watch it live, people. That one not normal. That one not do normal at all. The police them say, open up, so me know what really a go on. Excitement take time and come out, you know. Police them and everybody are come, you know what go on. But me them a say Pat Mackerel come out of them yard. It's Mackerel there. It's Mackerel there. It's Mackerel are going to care everybody. Mackerel are going to police car. See there? You there? Them are charge her. You there? Yeah, everybody are telling us to find somewhere else catch. You there? You there? You there? Pad and beer things. That's some mackerel are going. Them are run out mackerel. Watch out, them all lock up youth. You there? That be excitement. You there? A beer things are going. Mackerel at the police car.
Well, anybody remember this girl who said she take a girl man and she no care and so forth? You see me? Well, over the few weeks, I should say, or maybe month or two, this girl become a big success certain way. When I say success still, you know what I mean? Say become a star, then at the spotlight, get an interview and all these things, even end up in a music video with Kaledo and them things. There's I say. Now it just they are show, and it has been reported that the police them come here in the wee hours of the night. You see me I say, as far as you hear, yes, you catch and all these things. You see me I say, you don't know Jamaica people love the word mix up and drama and all them sitting there. You see me I say. So anyways, you have to stay tuned with the skill and make us go and listen to the update on that. Go, you see me I say. But until then, leave your comments down below, let me know what you think. And you don't know, so that is a breaking news already. You know, like not too long ago. That happened, maybe about 6-7 hours or so. You see me? Anyways, as I say, if you need to know more what go on, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and that way you see is the Dancehall Skilla ENT.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.